Today, we will talk about how to start a bartending business. Let's have a look at the details. Bartending can be a very good career, with reported average earnings statistically greater than a majority of college-level graduates. Because alcohol sales remain stable even in a tough economy, bartending is often referred to as a recession-proof career. For these reasons, the bartending business is competitive. Start by watching this video on how to start a bartending service business. Learn as much as you can. There are several ways in which you can educate yourself in preparation for a successful bartending business venture. Schooling. Enroll in a bartending school, if you haven't already. On-the-job training. Get a bartending job. Additionally, any hands-on experience you can accrue in the fields of customer service or hospitality is helpful. Then take a couple of business classes at the local community college or business resource center, or check out some library books on the subject. Formulate a business plan and put it down on paper. Decide on a business name. Register your mobile bartending business name with your government's business regulatory agency. Obtain a business license, also through your government's business regulatory agency. Bartending licenses are not required but are available through most bartending schools. Invest in bartending business supplies. You do not have to get anything fancy, but you will need the following basics for starters: a portable bar, business cards, bartending tools like speed pours, bottle openers, wine keys, coolers and garnish trays, and a uniform. This is not a necessity but is a good way to present a professional appearance to customers. Create marketing materials. Business cards, flyers, and postcards are good startup basics. Market your traveling bartender service. Be creative and implement each and every avenue of marketing you possibly can. Place free ads on online classified sites. Call party planners, disc jockeys, caterers, and other event professionals. Explain your bartending service business and ask for referrals. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.